Hi, I'm Lester from Goodbye Property. If you're looking for an affordable, large home in the West, why not consider a resale instead of a BTO? Available right now for immediate viewing, I have an executive mansionette for your consideration that offers much more than a typical BTO. At Block 142, Bukit Batok Street 11, you are nestled in a quiet neighborhood across from a cluster of retail and food options. You'll find the popular Princess Elizabeth Primary nearby, a glad welcome for families with kids. For even more conveniences, 2 bus stops will bring you to Bukit Batok MRT and Westmore. This 2-story flat, renovated with a modern futuristic theme, boasts almost 1,600 square feet of living space, ensuring your family can enjoy much comfort staying here. Generous use of mirrors and polished floor tiles enlarges the space visually. On the first floor, you'll find good functionality with a huge living room, dining area, utility room, and kitchen with attached bath. The key feature is this curved cushion area below the stairway, giving you a relaxed sitting area and also storage with its hidden storeroom. Retire for bedtime upstairs to bedrooms with cozy laminate flooring. You get 2 spacious common rooms, a common bath, and an ensuite master bedroom. What stands out is the master bedroom that comes with a customized TV console, plus its attached stylish bathroom with matching features and fittings. The freedom of such generous space is something you never find in new flats. With its convenient location, this property is definitely worth considering as your next home. Do give me a call for an exclusive viewing with keys on hand. This is Lester from Goodbye Property. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.